Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix OBS and NVENC Codec error message. So without further ado, let's get started. So this error is related to your GPU, but there is a few tweaks that we can do on OBS as well. So the first one, what I suggest you to do here is to go on settings on OBS. Then you need to go to advanced. On advanced, there is a color format, and then make sure color format is NV12, right? And then if we go on output, make sure that video encoder is NVENC, but if it's not working, change it to software, and also streaming, and change recording as well here, right? I cannot do that because I'm now recording, but for you it should allow you to do so, right? Next thing, if this do not work, first of all, open up Device Manager. Then look for your GPU. As you can see here, it's under here. Right click on it, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. Then what you need to do here is search for updated drivers here. And then here, just check for updates, and if there is an update, install it and restart your computer. Still, if this do not work, what I suggest to do here, go back on Device Manager, go to Properties, not Properties, go to Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from the list and select the latest version here, right? And then update drivers and restart your computer and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, go to your NVIDIA app if you have one. If you don't have it, just download it from official NVIDIA website. And then here you can go to drivers, and as you can see here, for me is a driver that I need to install. And just install and update your GPU, restart your computer, and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it.